Welcome, kings and queens, to my channel, Danny Speaks. Here, we're going to talk about everything. Let's go. Hi, welcome. I'm Danny from Danny Speaks, and I'm here today. I'm going to do a haul for you guys, a SHEIN haul. So, if you like this haul, make sure you subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell, and like this video. So let's just jump right in it. So this is the first item. Look at this. Look at this. It is nice. It is a leather. It looks like leather skirt. And it's a medium. Let's make sure you can see that. I am going to try on everything for you guys as well, but I'm laying it out first. And I might mix it up with different tops I already have. So this is the unbagging part. This is like for right now. I got green because of St. Patrick's Day, which is today. So this is a size large. Definitely should have got a medium or a small. Look at this. So I'm gonna try it on for you guys though, so you can see how it looks. This comes in a white bag, nice. Looks white because of the stuff. Ah, this is what I really wanted, guys. So this says wine o'clock. This says 1 o'clock. Oh, this is gonna be so comfortable. This is a large, which I'm seeing that I need mediums in most of their stuff, but this is like more sleepy time. So, you know, since we're all in COVID right now, I wanted something that I can wear around the house and chill. Actually, we're going to Myrtle Beach next week, so I can wear this there and relax. So I'm gonna try that on for you guys as well. Yes, this is my tie-dye shirt. Look how cute it is. It goes with the black leather, so I'm gonna try them on together. And this is a size large, which I probably could have got a medium as well, but we're gonna see how everything fits. I think it's gonna fit great. So put that right there. I can wear that next week on the trip as well. And I also got, let's open it up and see. Opened it the wrong way. These are some nice bags. You see that? They all come with zippers. You can use stuff in here, send stuff places. This reminds me of the Crown Royal bag that older people have, but a lot of women have these bags. So this is like a dress, see-through kind of. I thought this was very cute. So I'm wearing this next week as well, but I'm gonna try this on for you guys. And my Myrtle Beach trip will be on Moody Family, which is right here, so that you guys can, you know, check out Moody Family. That's my family channel where I have my kids. So I have some blue nails that I bought, and it says you can clean the nails of any polish or oil with any polish or oil, and then you just put them on. So they're press-ons, but I have glue already, but I have some blue nails. I also got eyeliner. I don't know if you can see that. She Glam. This is some eyeliner because I wanted some black eyeliner for my eyes. I also got sunglasses. I'm not gonna open them till I try them on later, but it comes with a little case. That's nice. And then I also have a phone case for my iPhone 12 Plus. Okay, I'm gonna try that on my phone as well, so you all can see that. Might try it on my husband because we both have the same phone. Okay. So this would be good. And I got green with the little dragon. No, I got green with the little dragon for St. Patrick's Day. So I tried to get a couple of things that's green. So let's just jump into the try-on haul. Are you ready? I am. The first thing we're going to start with is this outfit. Look at it. It's beautiful. So we have a tie-dye shirt, which looks like a zebra. The colors are pink, purple, white, and black. And we have our leather skirt. Look at that rip all the way up there on the thigh. Yes, this is a nice outfit. You see that? Very nice. So it also has a turtleneck, which I'm popping so you can see it. And then that's the first outfit. It hugs you tight in all the right places. You can wear this outfit out to the club, to the church, out in the street. You can just go to the store in it. This is a real nice outfit. This one also has a clip, a button, and a zipper where you can zip it up or zip it down. So, this is a netted shirt. It's green, as you can tell. The shorts did not come from SHEIN. However, I had to throw something on with it. I mean, it matches. It goes with the pearls. But the shirt, the straps are just so nice on the shirt, and it's a hang-off shoulder for those cold days or for just, a warm day because it's so loose and fitted. Next, we're moving on to this dress. Oh, honey, look at this dress. This dress, oh, it's nice. Look at it. It fits all over in the right places. It's kind of sheer, so you might want to wear something under it. But, whoo, look at this. It's nice all over it. And it spells out words. Like, I know you see that baby right there. Yes, and knives. So it's white and it's sheer, and the colors that's on the dress is orange, blue, pink. Yes, this is so nice. Now, this is my favorite outfit out of all of them, and I definitely will be wearing this soon. So, let you see the sides again. There we go. Now we're moving on to... Yes, I love this. This was so relaxing. Look at the back. It's so nice. Now, this outfit, honey, let me tell you, this outfit, it says wine o'clock, and you can drink wine anytime, during the day, at night. This was just so relaxing. Just putting it on, the material felt so good. I recommend this outfit, this nighttime outfit for anybody. Look at that. It looks good all over. It's real nice. 1 o'clock. So let's look at this. These are yellow sunglasses that comes with the cloth to clean it. This is very nice. Try these on. Don't let it slide out like I did. Yes, these are super cute. Do I look like a superstar? Man, yes. Look at that pose. Giving you them poses. And it goes with my outfit. Look at these. Heart-shaped sunglasses. Yes, going with the pearls. This is so cute. I love it. Yellow sunglasses with hearts. And they weren't even expensive, I believe. I'm going to have to put the this is not from there. This is price on the screen for you guys. So I was just telling you right now how the outfit went with my glasses. Yes, look at me. Look. Now we're moving on to non-clothing items. Now I'm going to show you the green eyeshadow that I bought from them for St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick's Day. Let's see if it comes out. Oh, that's pretty. You see that green? That's very pretty. And they have a whole bunch of colors. But this is one that I wanted to get. See, that's how it looks. Very pretty. She Glam. And this is She Glam. The eye pencil that I wanted to get as well. It is black and it is in this box. Very good. So I am going to work on it till I get it open so that you guys can see what's in here, like me. We're gonna see together. Okay, it's really in that box. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. Okay, it says She Glam on it. She Glam. And then it looks like a pen. Look at that. You can roll it up. Ooh, draw with it on your face. Nice. Okay, finally got my black liner that I've been wanting. Put that back in the box. Got these nails. Yeah, I'm not gonna take these out of the box, but this is how they look. So you might see me with some blue nails pretty soon. Very pretty. And no, I did it. And then last but not least is this phone case. Very nice as well. The dragon. Very nice. It feels so good. So I can't wait to try this on my phone. So, thank you for hanging out with me today. If you've already been here, thank you for watching. Make sure you turn that subscribe button on, like, comment, and notification bell. But if you already been here, I thank you for watching. And I just appreciate you. And if you're new to this channel, hey, welcome, kings and queens. Until next time, peace.